More than 60 years ago, the race for space began with the United States and the Soviet Union competing to put satellites in orbit and ultimately a man on the moon.
3, 2, 1.
Today, it's not the government creating excitement for space, it's SpaceX, a privately held company. The company's mission is to revolutionize space technology. Its goal is to make space travel more efficient and to colonize Mars. Gwynne Shotwell is the Chief Operating Officer and President of SpaceX.
Exploration is a fundamental part of being human, and what better place to explore than space? The fact that we're making space more accessible, both for people and satellites, I think it just makes life more interesting.
Dr. Allison Coyle is Professor of Physics at the Center for Astrophysics and Space Sciences at UC San Diego. Coyle says that the funding for NASA missions has declined over time since the 1970s.
If NASA wasn't doing it, it wasn't going to happen, right? So people just thought about it less.
This led to less of a focus on sending humans into space and less interest in general space missions. That is, until Elon Musk and SpaceX came along. In 2024, Musk plans to fly 4 ships to Mars, 2 for cargo and 2 for crew. The rocket that will be used for this mission is called the BFR. I bet you can guess what that stands for, and is expected to be able to carry 100 people. Reusable rockets are the key to Musk's vision.
Think about if you could only use an aircraft one way. People would fly from LA to New York, but then you couldn't get back to LA. So in order to take humans to Mars in any sort of kind of significant and substantial way, you have to be able to come back.
But this isn't just about aircrafts. This is about humans and rockets, something they have not yet tried. Money is also playing a role in this new interest in space. In the 60s, funding for space exploration was rocketing, as NASA funding accounted for more than 4% of the national budget. Today, it is less than 0.5%. SpaceX and other private companies are the competitors in this new race for Mars. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, has his own spaceflight company, and so does entrepreneur Richard Branson. Recently, Dennis Muilenburg even claimed that his company, Boeing, will beat SpaceX to Mars. Elon Musk responded in a tweet, "Do it." Allison Coyle says while Musk has made some significant contributions to space travel, she asks whether a private company should be deciding the future of space exploration on behalf of humanity.
I think there are a lot of important questions to ask. I think it's important to ask who should set these priorities, who should be at the table when these priorities are set, how much input do you want from the public?
By 2024, SpaceX plans to be first to send people to Mars. That is, unless someone beats them to it.